In today's video, we're going to learn how to use presets in Capture One. Now, I received these questions from several of you who bought my presets, and thank you so much for your support. Now let's dive right in to show you how it works. The first thing that you will want to do after downloading your presets is to place them in the right folder to make sure that they can be detected by Capture One. To do so, I want you to uncompress the file that you receive, see the folders within those files, and place them into one of these folders, depending on either you are on Mac or PC. Now, I want you to open Capture One and verify that those styles are properly detected by Capture One. To do so, click on Adjustment, Styles, and make sure that the folder that you just copy-pasted or placed into the location that I told you before appears in that particular menu. If you see it appearing, it means that you will be able to use those presets. Otherwise, you might want to restart Capture One and to make sure that those presets appear. Next, we are going to see how to practically use them on a picture. Once you have selected the picture that you want to work with, I want you to create a new field layer, and you can name it, for example, Presets. Next, I want you to right-click on this particular layer, and I want you to select Apply Adjustment from Custom Style, and select the style that you want to apply to your particular picture. As an example here, I will apply the urban style from my portrait preset pack. Now, just with the preset, this picture looks already good, but I feel like the preset is a little bit strong for the particular picture right here. Remember earlier I asked you to create a new adjustment layer for this preset. And this is going to come in handy right here. By using a new fill layer, you will be able to change the opacity of the preset, and by doing so, changing the intensity of the preset itself. So remember, whenever you want to apply a preset, create a new layer, and that way you will be able to easily control its intensity. And from there, you can, of course, make some exposure change, some local adjustment settings. But that's pretty much it. You are set right now to use presets on Capture One. Let me know if you have any question about this topic. Make sure to check out my preset if you're interested about them. And if you've missed it, check out this video right here where I detail the difference between the XH2S, the XH2 and the XT5 and which one is right for you. See you there.